Welcome to Mechanic. Today we have a 2013 Tesla Model S. On this vehicle, I'm going to show you how to be able to open up the front hatch, the hood, on this vehicle. So to begin with, there are a couple ways to do it. One from the inside, going through the infotainment system there, and also if you have your key fob, you're able to open that up. Now with your key fob, you're looking at the car. If you double tap here, that unlocks the car. Double tap on the trunk of it, unlocks the trunk. If we double tap on the front here, it'll unlock the hatch here. There we go. And so it's unlocked, and now it'll raise up. Now if you left it in, I'm just going to say, if you leave it in this state, there is this other hat lock that you'll need to press over to unlock it if you don't open it in a few minutes or so. But anyway, so like we're in the lock state, but when you double tap your key here or open it from inside, it actually unlocks it completely, that you can raise it up. So that's just the manual release of your secondary safety latch. And so that's opening up your hood with your key fob with the hatch. And then, so thanks for watching Mechanic, where you can be the mechanic.